Why do we speak in English when we are drunk? A very interesting topic. I hit the like button when I see this label when Praveen was presenting this topic. So very different topic, but definitely I would like to share my perspective on this. So why people speak in English when they are drunk? Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, when I'm not saying you are drunk, but I'm just saying if you are drunk, there is some chemical reaction in your body, and because of that the reaction time has been reduced, and whenever we tend to react anything, we react very speedily, and at that particular moment and that particular phase or state of body or state of mind where you think about yourself, you think about your self-esteem, you think about your good image, and you are trying to present yourself in a very systematic manner so that people will praise you. You would have noticed this incidence let me tell you my story. I'm not a hard drinker, but I'm occasionally take it whenever we, the old friends we meet all together. Old friends mean the college friends. We all are settled. They are all our corporate guys. Some are AGM, GM, and so many things. So whenever we get an opportunity to meet them, maybe a 3 months, 4 months, once in a 3 and 4 months, and when we drink alcohol, and when we start sharing our thoughts and the way we had reached on this position today, we try to articulate it or emphasize in more inflated way. Everyone, not me, but everyone trying to express the way they are today. They want to show that they have reached a very good level and they are earning so many good things, but this generally does not happen when we speak on phone. We speak very naturally, hi, bye, hello, how are you, and everything. But when we drink, we meet and drink and we start discussion, this, I don't know from where this image has come up, and people start talking about themselves. So I think this is because of that chemical reaction which force them to speak in an inflated way about themselves. So guys, this is my perspective. I don't know, I'm just trying to put things into perspective from my point of view, so that I definitely, I don't drink much, so I'm not able to tell you here why people react in that way when they drink, when they speak English. The second point here I want to make it here, when you are somewhere in the back of the mind, when you are thinking that you don't speak good English, and this good English come out when you drink. So suppose for a moment, I take my example. If I think that I don't speak well, and whenever I meet my friends and when we drink, I started speaking in English to prove that I am good in English. Don't you think so? It would have happened with you, not ladies, but most of the gents or gentlemen who at my age, right? So there we are trying to prove that we are good, we have that capacity or capability to speak good English. But it happens when you are drink, and the reaction time, the thinking time has been reduced, and we generally don't think what people will think when we speak wrong English. We just speak and we just flow accordingly. We just went on that flow, and we just prove on that particular matter that we are good in English. It happens only when you drink. So it's only because of that chemical reaction which flows in your body, and your reaction time has reduced and you started speaking in English. Why English? Because somewhere in your mind you are thinking that you are not good at that, and you start your unshown behavior. You are trying to show that you are good in English, because you yourself know that you are not good in English. So this is my perspective. Your perspective may be different. I'm just trying to put everything on the platter, because I don't drink first of all, and I don't speak English when I am drunk. Whatever I am today, whatever I have, I could speak. I speak on that stage when I drink alcohol. But with this note, I'm just repeating this: don't drink alcohol, it's bad for health. And I have just shared the incidents as to share my perspective. You please share your valuable feedbacks, whatever I have just explained, or whatever I have just shared my perspective. With your valuable feedbacks, it helps me to grow my speaking skills, my public speaking skills, and this is how we can learn. So this is Vishal More signing out until we meet next.